Here's how to reset Safari on your Mac. So if your Safari is getting slow or you just want to clear some files, I'm going to show you how to do that. Before we do that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. So go ahead and launch Safari, and then we want to get to the Safari settings. So on the top, click on Safari, and then click on Preferences. This is basically Safari settings. Then you have all these options you can choose from. Then once you're here, you're going to click on Privacy, and then click on Website Data. Now this is going to have all the website data, all the sites you visited, and keep in mind, if you remove them, it will log you out of that site and you'll have to log back in. It won't permanently delete data. So if you want to search for a certain thing you want to delete, let's just say Apple, you would just search that up in the search bar, click on it, and then press on remove. Now if you want to remove everything, just click on the remove all button down below and then click this button again. Now, Safari has a lot of settings you can choose from extensions, passwords. Just go through all of these and make sure they are the settings that you want for Safari. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like, and comment with any questions you have. I'll see you in the next video.